Today, we're going deep into the latest buzz at Apple. Yep, it's all about AI, artificial intelligence. But before we dive in, I have a question. What's the smartest thing you've ever asked Siri? Share your funny stories in the comments. Alright, let's get into it. First up, Apple is pumping up Siri with generative AI. This isn't just a small upgrade, it's a huge leap. Imagine Siri not just listening, but really understanding and interacting like a human. Apple plans to showcase these changes at the Worldwide Developers Conference in 2024, which means it's just around the corner. Now, who's helping Apple make Siri so smart? Rumor has it, they're in talks with giants like Google and maybe even OpenAI. That's right, the brains behind some of the most advanced AI systems might be teaming up with Apple. Think about Siri getting a turbo boost in handling complex requests. And it's not just Siri getting smarter. Apple's AI is going to touch everything, from how you use Apple Music to how you search with Spotlight. Imagine asking for music that fits your mood and getting the perfect playlist every time, or using Spotlight to find exactly what you need in a snap. Now, let's talk privacy. With all this AI power, Apple is committed to keeping your data safe and sound, right on your device. That means less of your info in the cloud and more secure processing locally. So, your secrets, like your surprise party plans, stay just that, a surprise. Coming up in iOS 18, all these AI improvements will be at your fingertips. From a more intelligent Siri to enhanced personalization across your apps, Apple's ensuring your devices work smarter, not harder. And let's not forget, all this is happening with your privacy as a top priority. Excited yet? I know I am. But what do you think Apple should focus on next with AI? More fun features or stronger security enhancements? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed our deep dive into Apple's AI plans, and subscribe for more awesome tech updates. Share this video with your friends to see what they think about the upcoming AI revolution at Apple.